our previous video, we showed you guys how to complete the battery discharging test with the Launch EVP711. And today, we will guide you step by step to operate the battery charging test. First, finish the quick device connection and power on the machine. Charging test setup. Tap charging test on main screen. First, fill up basic battery information. Enter the pack module number. Select battery type and nominal capacity, and set cell quantity. The EVP711 supports a maximum of 72 cells. Then, set charging capacity, pack terminal charge protection, current threshold, single cell upper limit, pack terminal charge voltage limit, charge current limit, charge time, and cell dropout voltage. Save settings, turn on the DC switch, and start test. View real-time charging data. Launch EVP711, 2 to 400 volt wide voltage support. Monitor every cell status with 72 channel high precision detection and 0 BMS interference. It is perfectly suited for automotive safety discharge, battery voltage calibration, and battery recovery activation work. Launch EVP711, efficient and reliable for all EV battery maintenance work. Follow us for more professional EV repair tips